Well, hello, my friends. It has been a while. Today is going to be a day, okay? My family and I were out of town for 2 trips back to back, and we got back the day before yesterday, very late at night. Since then, my dog has pooped in the crate. We've done 4 loads of laundry. I have completely cleared my refrigerator, restocked it, planned meals for the week. I've got 5. My 5th load is in the laundry right now. Today, we need to wrap all that up. We need to make a game plan for the rest of the week. I have so many videos that I'm sitting on, shorts, reels, YouTube videos and things that I need to get out because I've already started filming my back to school series and I got to get those, summer vacations and fun things out before I can start posting that. So lots of that coming up. And not only like school supplies and clothes and shoes, which I'm going to do because that's so fun, but also like prep. Back to school prep and mindset. What I do to help mentally prepare my kids for back to school. All those things that you want to deal with like goals and aspirations and expectations and rules and all those things. We're going to touch bases on all those. Maybe it can give you some ideas and maybe we can help each other in the comments. So today is a plan and prep day. I also need to figure out my game plan for the content that I've created, like I said, that I'm sitting on. So we need to do that today as well. So this is that very rare 2-hour window when I drop my son off at football and then I need to pick him up where I need to get things done. My other 5 kids are slowly waking up. I can hear a couple of them scrounging around in the refrigerator. So I'm gonna make them breakfast and then get started on this really hectic 2-hour power hour situation when I get all the planning done for the week. Also, tomorrow is going to be more of a celebration day. Lily girl turned 12 while we were in the Bay Area visiting family. We did some birthday celebrations there with the cake and presents, but mom and dad have some things here that I need to wrap and decorate. So that will be Lily's wrap up birthday day tomorrow so we can move on to the rest of the things. So yeah, welcome to my day. It's going to be a busy one. I have 6 kids. You never know what's going to happen. So let's get started. Let me tell you, the way I feel when I get back from my vacation is like high productivity. I am so motivated, inspired to like declutter spaces and get things done. But the first thing I have to do every single time I get back from vacation is just completely empty everything and automatically put things in the laundry. I left a little bit of a mess before I left, which is so not like me. But with 2 trips back to back, full sports schedules, and just so much going on, I wasn't able to tackle my laundry room. So today, that is the plan. I need to declutter my laundry room. Of course, I'm going to have some bins left over on the left there, you can see, with mismatched socks and stuff. That's a project for another day. I think I'm ready to just toss the basket and start fresh because I just can't find them. And they've been lingering and sitting there for like a month. But today, this laundry room is going to get done. I consider my home a have-z type of home. I've got some systems and organization going. You can see like the pretty bottles and jars with like the smell good stuff and things, but yet it's also cluttery. If I could just get myself in a zone where I can always have my space decluttered, I feel like I would be so much less stressed, and I think my home would be so much better if I can do that. So today I'm going to tackle that and make sure that we get that done so we can move on other areas of the home, because I cannot wait to do my girls' bathroom renovation, refresh type of situation. I've purchased all the things, but I told myself I need to get my house in order before I can even move on to that next project. I have been hoping for a while that my current laundry baskets would fall apart or break on me, and the day finally came. They have metal insert structure in it, and that finally bent, and I was so excited that I was able to get one of those collapsible laundry baskets. I've been wanting to get it for so long, but I'm trying to be practical and make sure I don't spend too much and get too many things that I don't need. So I justified it. I got it because my other one's broke, and it's life-changing. I can just slide it on the side of my washer and dryer. It saves so much space, and I just love the satisfaction of like popping it open, popping it closed, storing it, and it's so easy to take from room to room because all my kids' rooms are in like this one area right here. You can see 3 of their rooms. I always have this rack here. It works so well when we are in our busy seasons, which is pretty much every single season of sports. This is where I hang their uniforms, their large jackets and sweatshirts, hoodies, things like that are too big to put in the dryer or they're too big to put immediately in their closets because it's wet. So I like to dry them on here, and then when the time for the game to start, or the time to put them away, the kids can just grab it. But kids were in camp today. I just wanted to make sure I got everything done because we just got back from vacay. So Mama did it all. Now the real fun starts. The kids are starting to get up and starting to get a little bit demanding. So before I make a big breakfast for them, I said, you know what? Make your bed, brush your teeth, get some water and electrolytes in you, start doing your job. So we've got girls outside doing food and water for the dogs, running them out, cleaning up the poop. Some of the girls are doing like quick bathroom checks. During the summer, I really got to run a tight ship because they will eat and lay on the couch and watch TV all day if I let them. So I try to have them get their stuff done first before they move on to the rest of the day. So they say like, you know, Mom, can I go to the mall or can I go to the park with my friends? I can be like, sure, because you've completed everything that you need to do, and it avoids a lot of stress and fights and, you know, back and forth. Why can't I do this? So yeah, I have them get their stuff done first. I've learned as I've gotten older and my kids have gotten older, I really got to hold them accountable. So chores, it is first while Mama cleans up the kitchen, just kind of touches all the surfaces and sanitizes everything. buddy. We returned our rental car. We weren't keeping it. It was just while we were on vacation. Got these sunglasses. Have to show you guys. I am not a designer sunglasses type of girl. I like Amazon cheapies, and all the cheapies that I bought before are cheapies, okay? They're thin, they're flimsy, they don't stay on my face. When I bend down to pick up the baby, they fall off. These are the only ones that I have found that I absolutely love. They're only $13 right now. I think normally like $19.99. I love them because they're thick, they're dark, they have like a thicker band, which are normally seen only on men's sunglasses or like the designer brands. And for 13 bucks, like, you can't beat it. I am in my thick, dark era. Like, I don't want to be seen. I want to be covered and protected era. Okay, so I love these, and if you guys want to get them, I'll put the link down below. They're only $13 from Amazon. There are many, many colors. I recently bought a purse I'm waiting on. Can't wait to show you. It's like a jelly tote purse, but small, like a woman's purse. And of course it's a woman's purse, but it's not a tote like a beach tote. It's like a small purse, but it's like a whiskey brown jelly color. I just think it is so cute. My cousin has it, and I immediately asked her where it was from, and I bought it. And they have like a whiskey brown dark shaded sunglasses to match it, so I need to order those. So I'll be putting on my blue light glasses as soon as I get home because we're going to be doing lots of editing. But let's go get Ace from football, start the rest of our day. I want to make a pasta salad. We have lots of proteins that Lola gave us, my husband's mom, from coming back from the Bay Area. She sent us with a cooler of beefsteak, which we ate yesterday, dinuguan, which we put in the freezer. These are all Filipino foods, and sisig, which my husband has already got into. I like to air fry it and like throw an egg on top with some rice. What else? Beefsteak, dinuguan, sisig, and pork sticks. We have some pork barbecue sticks. So we have a lot of proteins we need to eat up. So I picked up some veggies yesterday, and I want to make a pasta salad because I think that'll go really well with the pork sticks. So let's go get Ace, take him home, feed him. I'm going to make him like a steak style seasoned burger. I found that burgers are his favorite food after football practice. So we're gonna make him his burger. I'm gonna go out through. Yes, my love.
Like poo.
Like poo what?
Poop.
Oh my goodness. Why are we always talking about poop? Why is poop so funny? Okay, let's go get bro. Ready for pads?
I was so sweaty in my helmet.
Hey, what helmet?
F7.
All right, King. See you tomorrow.
Whose car is this?
I would hope it's not yours yet.
Excuse me.
I'm just gonna say thank you.
Yep, you're welcome. See you tomorrow.
Is that how you say bye?
I got it.
You
Okay.
say bye?
Go shower when we get home. Real quick, please. Because if you sit on the couch, then you get lazy and you don't shower. So go shower, and I'll make you a steak burger. Steakhouse burger. Sound good? Are you ready to eat?
Yeah.
Okay. They have camp at 3. The long day.
So does Gigi?
Yeah. And Lily has camp too, but she doesn't have practice after.
But like it's a little camp, huh?
Yeah, so I'm leaving at like 2:15.
And
Okay, so lettuce,
tomato,
cheese.
mayonnaise.
Mayo, you want cheese?
Yeah. Yes.
I don't have burger buns, but I have sourdough bread. I feel like that's
Yeah.
better. Yeah?
Sure.
Okay.
That
Thank you, son. Here is my lunch. I'm eating it early today. Half a sourdough slice of bread with a steak burger. I think it's a tri-tip burger that I got at Albertsons with some melted cheese and some mayo. I have lettuce, tomato, and green onion, red onion. They're red. They're purple red onions. I'm gonna eat this, go get some work done at the computer, feed the girls and the baby lunch, get ready for volleyball.
Is this mine?
Yeah. Good? Okay. Make sure you drink your electrolytes. So I got a big stack of them so you can have them this week after practice. The football player is fed. The other 5 are having some snacks. I have about an hour and a half before I need to make them lunch, the 5, and then get the girls ready for volleyball. Lily, Gigi, and Vea have volleyball camp from 3 to 5 p.m. And then Gigi and Vea have practice from 6 to 8. So I need to pack like a snack bag. I need to pack like a to-do bag for the 3 little kids, snacks, to-dos, coloring books, maybe a tablet, everything that I need to occupy them while they're at the second practice. I think during the first practice, I'm gonna watch a little bit and then I'm gonna run around and do some errands. I need to get dog food, paper towels, applesauce. I don't know, my 10-year-old is currently obsessed with applesauce right now, and that was like a highly requested thing this morning. So I'm gonna enjoy a little bit of a Diet Coke. I am going to work on my content plan of how I'm going to execute, edit, and post all of the video footage that I have from our vacation, from birthdays. There's just a lot that I need to catch up on. So I want to make like a game plan of how and when I'm going to post things. So let's do that. Needs more ice, but we ran out. That's what sports will do to you with all those water bottles.